Okay, so here's a little winter day project I'm working on. This is an old Bristol's chart recorder. It's pretty neat. So it's kind of seen better days. It's pretty corroded and stuff. So I'm gonna take some sandpaper and some Scotch-Brite, clean it up, hit it with some oil-based black paint, paint it up again, do a little cheap little restoration on it. I think it'll look pretty nice hanging on the wall when it's all done. Looks like zinc or aluminum construction. Have to get some oil on those hinges. They're kind of sticky. So I'll get some oil on them suckers. It's got a little, like a pendulum thing. I don't know what it was connected to. Might have been connected to a clock or something, but for this, for the wiper, it's got a thing down on the bottom. Yeah. So I got some Scotch-Brite and some sandpaper. Just cleaning things up. So that's what I'm up to. Little project, and it'll look nice hanging on the wall.